What if animals were police officers?
So here's the deal. 1 year's supply of bananas delivered monthly, and you walk.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, officer. I can do that.
These type of cases always makes me hungry.
Walk a straight line under my antlers. If you flinch, you're tanked.
This interrogation is just for fun.
Breathe in deeply, hold the tension, and now release. Let the stress of the precinct melt away. You are safe here.
Hi, I am Cappy from Forest FM. Check out full video on the channel.